Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a interesting math problem which is 1 plus x over x plus 1 is equal to 2, x is equal to what? Is it a valid equation? Please comment my video, and it's just for fun, don't be serious, which is 1 plus x over x plus 1 is equal to 2. So first of all, if you think 1 plus x over x plus 1 is equal to 2, now this cancel, it will be 1 is equal to 2, so 1 cannot be equal 2. So you can say easily you can't solve this question like this method. So how to solve this interesting math question? It is not math, it's just for fun, don't be serious. 1 plus x over x plus 1, so this 1 plus x I take here, 1 plus x, and this 2 times this, it will be 2 times x plus 1. Now this is 1 plus x, and this 2 times x, this is 2x, 2 times 1, this is 2. Now at this moment you can say here, this 2x minus x, it will be x, and this 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2, this is minus 1. So we'll find out here x is equal to -1. This is our answer. But if I use both side whole square, you can try other methods. So here, which is 1 plus x bracket power is 2 is equal to 2x plus 2 bracket power is 2. Now this is 1 plus x times 1 plus x, and this is 2x plus 2 times 2x plus 2. Now at this moment you can say this 1 times 1, this is 1, plus 1 times x, this is x, plus x times 1, this is x, and x times x, this is x to the power 2. And this is 2x times 2x, it will be 4x to the power 2, plus 2x times 2, this is 4x, plus 2 times 2x, it will be 4x, plus 2 times 2, this is 4. Or you can use here is algebra formula, which is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then this is 4x square, so I take 4x square this side, it will be 4x to the power 2. Then this is 4x plus 4x, which is 8x, I take this 8x here, then plus this is 4, I take this 4 here, is equal to this is x square, but this x plus x, this is 2x, this is addition, and this is plus 1. Now if I move on this value in this side, it will be negative, so this expression, it will be 4x to the power 2 plus 8x plus 4 minus x to the power 2. I just move on this value in this side, it will be negative x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is this minus this, it will be 3x square, then 8x, and this x plus x, this is 2x, so I take this 2 here, this 2 here, 8x minus 2x, this is 6x, and this is 4 minus 1, this is 3, is equal to 0. Now if I divide both sides by 3, which is x to the power 2 plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if I apply here this math formula, which is x square plus 2ab plus b square, so this is x plus 1 bracket power is 2 is equal to 0. Now which is x plus 1 is equal to 0, then this is x is equal to minus 1. So we'll find out x is equal to -1. Let's verify. 1 plus x over x plus 1 is equal to 2. Then we'll find out x is equal to -1. So if I take this -1 here, x minus 1 minus 1, this is -1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we'll find out 0 is equal to 2. So 0 cannot be equal to. So you can say here no real solution, no solution in this math problem. No solution in this maths problem. It's just for fun, don't be serious. Thank you all. If you enjoy this math problem, please subscribe my channel. Others interesting video. Goodbye, take care everyone.